Ground floor plan, 2,240 square feet. Car porch, 200 square feet. Veranda, 125 square feet. Living and sitting, 290 square feet. Dining and pantry, 190 square feet. Veranda, 80 square feet. Master bedroom, 213 square feet. Bathroom, 70 square feet. Office room, 140 square feet. Car porch, 230 square feet. Kitchen, 190 square feet. Veranda, 70 square feet. First floor plan, 2,430 square feet. Living and sitting, 240 square feet. Pantry, 140 square feet. Balcony, 80 square feet. Terrace, 430 square feet. Master bedroom, 300 square feet. Balcony. Bathroom, 70 square feet. Bedroom, 140 square feet. Terrace, 315 square feet. Bathroom, 36 square feet. Bedroom, 185 square feet.